Young Nails March sale is here and everything 30% off store-wide. Protein Bond, 30% off. All acrylics, gels, 30% off. Pro Kits, nail polish, gel polish, 30% off. Nail art, press-ons, everything, 30% off. In addition to that, we are doing a mystery box, brand new product. New! This mystery box contains an item that you have been asking for quite some time. In addition to the newness, we're dropping in a special gift just for you. Also, all purchases get a 2x multiplier. Buy $100 of products, earn $200 of rewards. The Young Nails March sale starts March 25th at 12 p.m. Pacific and goes all the way to Sunday, March 29th, 11:59 p.m. We only do this a couple times a year, store-wide, so do not miss this sale!